Hello everyone, myself Vivek Gupta. Here I am the subject mathematics for class 10th, chapter 4 quadratic equation from NCERT book in part 5 video. Dear students, your topic is quadratic formula. Here you have to understand what is quadratic formula and what is the use of quadratic formula. So first of all understand, for quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, ax is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is known as quadratic formula. Ax is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. For a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here you have to understand what is b square minus 4ac here especially. Before this, you know what is b, what is a, what is c here. So a is, you see here, a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant term. So in this formula, b is coefficient of x, a is coefficient of x square, and c is constant term. So comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, always you will find value of a, b and c to solve any quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Here a special point is to understand here b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of quadratic equation. Dear student, you have to understand that b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of quadratic equation. This discriminant is represented by d. So you can write d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant insert in capital letter D. Capital letter D express discriminant of quadratic equation. So you can write D is equal to b square minus 4ac, discriminant of quadratic equation. Here you have to understand what is the special role of discriminant for any quadratic equation. Dear student, discriminant decides the nature of quadratic इक्वेशंस रूट मीन्स जो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट है वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस के रूट्स का नेचर डिसाइड करता है. फाइंडिंग डिस्क्रिमिनेंट ऑफ एनी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन वी कैन क्लियर अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. Dear students, see, b square minus 4ac decides the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Here the use of discriminant is explained. If b square minus 4ac means the discriminant of quadratic equation is equal to 0, the roots will be real and equal. In second case, see, if the discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means the roots will be real but not equal. And in third case, if you find the discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it means the roots cannot be defined. The roots cannot be defined in case if the discriminant is less than 0. Here student, Let us solve this example. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if the roots exist using quadratic formula. Here, first of all, you have to check whether the roots exist for these following quadratic equation or not, and if the roots exist, you will find the roots using quadratic formula. So let us check whether roots of this first quadratic equation is possible or not. We have 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 2. So, discriminant b is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 5 whole square minus 4 multiply 3 multiply 2. In the place of b you put minus 5, in the place of a you put 3, and in the place of c you put 3. Squaring minus 5, you find 25 minus 4 3 are 12, 12 to the 24. Discriminant is equal to 1. You got discriminant d is equal to 1. It means since b is greater than 1, d is here, value of d is 1, so d is greater than 0. Since value of d is greater than 0, hence given quadratic equation has real roots. So value of this discriminant decides about the roots of given quadratic equation, which is given quadratic equation has equal roots, real roots, because value of b is greater than 0. You have cleared here. Discriminant is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Let us see, using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root discriminant upon 2a. You will solve, you will find the roots of this equation. Here in the place of b, you will put minus 5 plus minus under root 1. Value of b already you got 1, so in the place of d is equal to 1. 2 multiply, value of a is 3 here, put 3. You find 5 plus minus 1 upon 6. Square root of 1 is 1. Here when you remove this bracket, you will find 5 upon 6. You will write x is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 6, or x is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 6. In case of plus 1, you can write x is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 6. In case of minus 1, you will write x is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 6 means x is equal to 1 in this case, and here x is equal to 4 upon 6 means x is equal to 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6, and it means 2 upon 3. So 1 and 2 upon 3 are the roots. Here 1 and 2 upon 3 are the roots of given equation. That's it. Now see the second one, how to solve. Let us see how to solve the second part using quadratic formula. We have x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing given quadratic equation, comparing given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When you compare this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you find a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 5. So with the help of value of a, b and c, let us find the discriminant of quadratic equation. Since b is equal to b square minus 4ac, so b is equal to 4 square minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 5 means 16 minus 20, which is equal to minus 4. Here student, you can see the discriminant is equal to minus 4, and this indicates d is less than 0. This value d is equal to minus 4 indicates d is less than 0, and you know, in this condition, when discriminant is less than 0, the roots of quadratic equation are not defined. Since d is less than 0, hence the required roots are not real. The required roots are not real because your discriminant d is less than 0. That's it in this video. We will meet again in the next part.